Shaquena coming to you loud, live, and in color. Hey, my people. Hey, my people. Hey. Today, I'm coming to you with another demonstration. This time, we are multiplying and dividing fractions. Okay. Now, remember, y'all, I said the numerator is at the top and the denominator is at the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to divide some multiply some fractions first, y'all. Not divide, but we're gonna multiply some fractions. Okay. Let's say you got 2/3 times, and that dot means times. You don't have to put that X, you can put that dot. So 2/3 times 3/4. Okay, you can cross multiply. And what I mean by is you can divide 2 into 2 and 2 into 4. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 2 divided by 4 is 2. So now you got 1/3 over 3/2. But really, no, you don't. Because you can divide 3 into both of these. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now you got 1/1. Which is 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. So you got 1/2. Okay. Now, let's try another one. You got 10/20 times 10/30. Okay. Again, we're going to cross multiply. If you see my paper move, that's because of my fan. Okay, so 10 will divide into 10 one time. 10 divided by 30. 10 divided by 30 is 3. Okay, 10 will go into 10 one time. And 10 will go into 20 two times. So now the new problem is 1/2 times 1/3. And you got 1/6. Okay. Now, let's say you have an improper fraction. And remember when I said improper fraction? Remember I said improper fraction is when you got a whole number and a fraction times 2 1/4. Okay, you're gonna turn. Mixed fraction, y'all. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. You're gonna turn that mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is when you got a whole number and a fraction. And you're going to turn this into an improper fraction. And remember I said an improper fraction is when you have the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3/2. Times 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9/4. Now, oh, this one you cannot cross multiply because 2 will go into 2, but 2 will not go into 9. Okay, and 3 will go into 3, but 3 will not go into 4. So you're just going to just do like this. 9 times 3 is 27 over 8. Okay, and that's how you do that. Okay, let's try it again. 3 1/4 times 3 1/4. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 4 times 13 over 4. Okay, now we're going to do it like this. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Be right back, y'all. Now, remember, I got 13 over 4 times 13 over 4. 13 times 13 is 169. And 4 times 4 is 16. And that's how you do that. You do not turn this back into this. You must turn a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 12 and 2 over 8. 2 and 2 over 8 times 4 and 6 over 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18 over 8. Okay. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38 over 8. Okay, now we're going to cross multiply. Okay, what two numbers will go into 8 and 18? The two numbers that will go into 8 and 18 is 2. So 2 divided by 8 is 4. 2 divided by 18 is 9. Okay, what two numbers will go into 38 and 8 evenly? Did you say 2? Well, you was correct. Okay, 2 divided by 8 is 4. And 2 divided by 38 is 19. So your new problem is 9 over 4 times 19 over 4. You know your denominator is going to be 16. 9 times 19 is 171. And if you want to check your problem, all you have to do is do your little handy dandy calculator. And here is my little handy dandy calculator, y'all. Okay, we're gonna check our problem. Okay, you got 2 and 2 over 8 times 4 and 6 over 8. Okay. And you got 171 over 16. See there? And that's how you check your problem. Now you will need a calculator that does fractions. And this is the calculator that I have. It does fractions for you. Okay, now we're going to divide fractions. Okay, so let's get started. Remember, numerator denominator. Okay, let's say you got 2 over 5 divided by um 2/10. Okay, you got 2/5 divided by 2/10. What you're gonna do is you're gonna bring the 2/5 down, and you're gonna turn that division into a multiplication, and you're gonna flip this way and flip that way, and it's gonna be 2/10. Okay, 5 can go into 5, and 5 can go into 10. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 10 is 2. So your new problem is 2/1 times 2/2. Okay, then you got 4/2. You want to check your problem? Okay, let's check the problem. You got 2/5. You got 2/5 divided by 5. I mean, 2/5 divided by 2. Oh, Lord. 2/10. See, you got 2. You got 2/5 divided by 2/10. And we're going to hit enter. And it gives you 2. Okay, and the reason why it gives you 2 is because 2 can divide into 4 2 times. Anytime your bottom number can be divided into your top number, you need to do that. Okay. Okay. Now, let's do this. Let's take the same problem. But this time, let's say you got 2 divided by 2/10. Okay, anytime you have a number that's like this, it's always understood that there is a 1 right there. So you got 2/1 times 10/2. 10 times, okay, 2 times 10 is 20. And 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, you can divide 2 into 20, which gives you 10. See? I'm going to go back over adding fractions, because I feel like I missed something. I think I missed something on adding fractions. Let me see. I think I missed something. I'm not going to go over adding fractions. But that's basically how you multiply and divide fractions. If you have any questions, put them down below, and I will make sure that I elaborate more on these math problems if you did not understand something that I did. I don't mind helping anybody. This was a question that was asked of me by a classmate of mine, because like I told you, I am in school, so I wanted to help him out and make sure that he was understanding the problem. Oh yeah, subtracting fractions. Okay, let's go over subtracting fractions right quick. Let's say you got 15 and 5/4, and then you got 3 and 1/20, and you're subtracting fractions. Remember, you have to still find the common denominator, and the common denominator for this is 20 right here. Okay, 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. Now, 25 minus 1 is 24 over 20. And then right here, 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay. Now right here, you got an improper fraction. And remember what I said about improper fractions. You have to turn them into mixed numbers. So 20 divided by 24. Okay, 20 divided by 24 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Okay. Then you got 20. Okay, so the answer is 4 and 1 over 20. Okay, let me see what that turns out to be. Wait a minute. Let me check my math, y'all. 15 and 5 over 4 minus 3 and 1 over 20 gives you 66. 66 over 5. So let me see how they got that. Let me see. 12 times 20 is 240. Nope, that's not right. So I guess what they... Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Y'all, we're going to start this problem all over again. I had a brain fart. I'm bad. Okay. 20 going to 20. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. 4 will divide into 25 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. And now you got 24 over 20. And then you're going to subtract 3 from 15, which gives you 12. Okay, now this is what you do. Okay, 20 times 12 is 240. 240 plus 240 plus 24 is 264 over 20. Okay. 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 Now you got to find a number that would divide into 20 and 264 evenly. You got 4. 4 would divide into 20 evenly, and even them times 5. And 4 would divide into 264 66 times. So you got 66 over 5. That's how you do that problem right there. Ooh. I was trying to remember how to do this kind of math problem. Again, you got 15 and 5/4 minus 3 and 1 over 20. You're going to find the common denominator, which is 20 for both. Okay, 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You're going to draw your line. You're going to bring out your denominator, which is 20. 25 minus 1 is 24. 15 minus 3 is 12. 20 times 12 20 times 12 is 264 over 20. You're going to find a number that will go into 264 and 20 evenly. 4 will go into 20 5 times. 4 will go in, 4 will divide by 4 will divide into 264 66 times, and that is your answer. Okay, now again, if you have any problems or you have any questions with anything that I've done in this video, make sure you comment down below. And if you made it to the end of this video, put division and multiplication. Make sure you give me those big thumbs up. Get this video to 80 likes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified twice. If you're an old subscriber, make sure notifications are on. Like I always say at the end of all my videos, have fun playing with your nails if you will nails, or if you're growing your own, have fun playing with your makeup if you will makeup, or you're just learning how to use it. And y'all, please live life, because God only gives you one. Bye-bye.